Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's still winter here, and because it's winter, I got another winter video for you folks. Remember in that winter video where I said all the tips and tricks and stuff like that and things to look out for your winter fun? Well, I touched on one thing. It was the wipers. You need to replace your wipers if you're in any kind of snowy, icy climate, because the wipers on here, even though last year was the first year, they're not the greatest. There may be summer and spring and fall wipers, like 3 seasons, but they're certainly not winter wipers. They iced up a lot on me last year, and because of that, this year I learned my lesson and I got some new wipers. These ones are, I'm going to try them out. I don't know if they're going to work well, but they've got good reviews and stuff like that. I did some research. There are Rain-X ones, there's Trico ones, there's different ones. Bosch. I like Bosch, but I don't know if the Bosch ones would have actually worked because they've got a funny, it's not standard, but it's not uncommon. It's not like a proprietary fitting for the Model 3 there that Tesla uses. Anyways, these ones are Michelin's. They're called Stealth. Michelin Stealth, they're hybrids. So the good thing I like about these is that they're rubber coated, so they shouldn't ice up. So because it has a rubber coating on it, it shouldn't ice up and it should flex and everything, and it shouldn't lock into place and everything. So that's what we're going to try, folks. So what I'm going to do, because it's getting windy out here and cold, let's take this inside. Actually, before I do that, I want to show you what the fitting looks like on this. Okay, can you see me here? Okay, I'm going to show you on this side. I don't know if you can, I can bend up the wiper a little bit, but there's a hose in this arm that I don't want to bend too much. Anyways, the type of system this is, the nozzles are in here. I've got another video that I did when I first got the car last year that explains how the washer fluid comes through these nozzles that's built in. Pretty unique and pretty fascinating system they have. Check out that video. I'll leave a link right here or there. Okay, so what you have to do is there's a little square button right in the center, like it's facing upwards here. What you have to do is you have to press this button in and pull this forward. When you do that, you hear a little click, and it's that easy. They come out that easy. Now let me show you. Come around here. And I don't know if you can make that out. I don't know if it's focusing. Okay, folks, so this is the assembly. This is the connector that connects to the arm of the wiper itself. So this is what you have to replace. Now, these are, like I said, they're standard, but they're not too standard. So we're going to look and replace these. While I'm on this side, I'll do the same for this. Push this button in and just slide it up. The whole arm comes out. And when you put these down, make sure you put them down gently onto the windshield. You don't want to scratch or crack, or I don't know if you can crack it, but just put it down gently. It can't hurt. It could hurt. That's why you want to put it down gently. Let's go in the house now. Okay, old wipers, new wipers. Put these down. First things first, it is warm in here. Take this off. Okay. Oh yeah, before I forget, you know what? It seems like everyone on YouTube has to say this, so full disclosure, I didn't get these for free. I actually bought them. I got them at Costco. If you're in Ontario or Canada or anything like that, Costco, maybe even in the States, Costco sells these, and they were like dirt cheap. I think they were $10, $9 or $10 each. Now, with the Tesla Model 3, there's 2 different sizes. Most new cars, they have 2 different lengths and 2 different sizes for wipers. The driver's side's usually bigger. The passenger side's usually smaller. So anyways, driver's side's a 26. The passenger side's a 19. So make sure you get 2 different sizes. That's why if you're looking at this, you're like, wow, one looks closer and one looks further away. Well, they'll look the same size if I do this, but they're different sizes. Make sure you get that. And looking at the, you know what, let me open the box first, and then I'll show you the comparison. I really hope these fit. They're supposed to, so I'm hoping they do. Of course, if you ever replace wipers in the last little while, you'll know that they all come with different, oh, actually, the one that came out, this is actually what we need. I don't know if you can focus in on that. Other ones are falling out. Let me see if you can see this. Right there. That is the attachment that we need. This one right here. I don't know if you can see it, if it's focusing. That's what we need. So let's keep at it. Get the wiper out of the box itself. There's multiple attachments because they come basically universal. Another one fell on the floor. I know I don't need that one. So yeah, this is the wiper. I can feel already that it's bulkier, huskier, much more durable than compared to this. Now this one's curved. This one's not so curved. This one's almost like a bow. So if you compare them, I'm going to come up close to the camera. I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up. and focus on it rather than focusing on my face. Let me see. Okay, so as you can see, this is the new one. As you can see, it's like rubber coat. It's got a coating of rubber around it, and then this is the original one where it's rubber. Like here, it's like a rubber fin to, I guess, keep the wind down, to keep it on with like wind. But there's no protectant around it. Like when these froze up last winter, they froze up. Whereas this one, I'm hoping it won't freeze as much. Plus the blade is a lot fresher and newer. And for $10, even if this doesn't work, I mean, I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know if it works. But even if it doesn't work, it's still worth the money in my opinion. So we're going to put those on. Now, I don't want to make this into an instructional video, but there are instructions here on how to do this, and it's pretty self-explanatory. And it should just go on very simply. So, like I said, I'm not going to turn this into an instructional video. I just want to show you how to take it off. You put it on yourself the opposite way you put it on. There are directions and instructions on how to put it on the back of this box. So, figure it out on your own. So we're going to put this on, and then we're going to go back to the car outside, get bundled back up and everything, go outside and put them on. And you know what? I'll try them out for 2 or 3 days because it's supposed to get more snow, and I'm going to be doing a lot of driving. So I'll try it out again, and I'll report back and let you know how it is. But first I'm going to put them on. Okay, folks, we're back. And just as easy as they came off, they should go back on if they're the right size. So let's give them a try. And looking at it already. Huh. You know what? It's not going to fit. It's not the right size. So everything I told you in this video, or almost everything, scrap it. You know what, guys? I was going to actually cancel this video and not even put it up. But you know what? This is a good learning experience that not all wipers fit. And I'm going to put this video and I'm going to post it just so you guys see that you got to be careful. You know, some things happen. And you know, why not post it? At least maybe you guys out there can learn from my experience and my mistake. So if you're looking at it here closely, I don't know if you can see it. I'll see if I can pick up the focus on it. Okay, so this is the original one here, and I don't know if you can see, like I said, I don't know how good it's going to focus. Let me try to get that. Not my face, camera, not my face. Canon wants to always focus on your face. Let's see if I can focus on my hand. Okay, right there, it's focusing on my hand. So see how thin it is? Like it's the distance here from here to here. This one, this is the Michelin one. This one's too thick. If you put it side by side and you look, you can see that they're actually, this one is a little thicker, considerably thicker than this one. So good thing I didn't break this, because now I got to put this one back on and back to the drawing board. You know, like I said, I was not going to post this, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to post this just so you can see. And at least you know, the ones from Costco, because they're cheap, they're called Michelin Stealth. I'm sure they're good wipers, and that's the kind of wipers I'm going to look for. The ones that are like rubber coated type of thing with like a rubber cover over top of it. I'm still going to look for those, and maybe in a Tyco's or maybe in a Bosch. The Bosch ones I saw on Amazon, so I might get those ones, and I'll have to redo this video completely. But just so you know, the Michelin Stealth hybrids, it's too bad because Stealth with my car and Stealth, anyways, they don't fit. So let that be known. Don't do what I did. Don't get these ones. They don't fit. I'm sure they're great wipers. They just don't fit the Model 3. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. As soon as I find wipers that fit, I will redo this video a lot quicker, because then you'll know how to take it off and everything like that. I'll just install them and give you my review on them. Okay? Till then, we'll see you on the next one. What can you do? It's even noisier now in the wintertime with all the slush. Can't even do a video here. Again, really? Really? More? Okay. Okay, so what you... God, they're sure noisy.